okay? Let me show you. This is a new thing I found. Book binding kit. Oh my God, guys. I saw somebody using this and I went on Amazon and it was only $12 and change. I said, I have to try it out and use it. So let me just show you what it comes with, okay? These are wax threads. These are wax, guys, and it comes in 3 different colors. Guys, I love showing you all my new stuff. Hi, Dawn. When I get something new and it's not expensive, this is worth it. If you're going to be doing a bunch of these, and it comes with a brown, a darker brown color, and a black. These are, and they call them wax threads. Okay, I didn't even open, look, I didn't even open half this stuff up. This is what they call a boning tool. You've seen people use these before. Now, I don't even know what this is for. I have no idea. Maybe if you do, let me know. This is called an awl. This is called an awl. This is what you make your holes through. Now, this is sharp, guys. It comes with plastic on top. I don't know what I did with it, but anyway. It comes with needles, needle kit. Let me show you with all different size needles in here. And, whoa. Kim put the needles the wrong way. Okay, and there's all different sizes. I'm gonna use the bigger one right here. Look how big look at that hole. Hopefully I'll be able to see it with these eyeballs. Threading a needle is not so easy with these eyes anymore. Okay, and then it even comes with scissor to cut your thread. Oh, and it comes with your little thing so you don't